How to delete a Snapmint account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Snpmint, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete Snapmint account. Well, let's get straight into the video. I'm here on the official page of Snapmint here. So you can see about Snapmint, and down below you should see how can I delete my account with Snapmint. Now right here it says if you are a new user, you can send an email to consent.care@snapmint.com to delete your account. So you can send an email, make sure to mention that you want to delete your account and enter in your account details that you wish to delete. Similarly, can you delete your account with Snapmint? Here you can see a user with no purchase till date can send a request to delete their account and other details. However, for users who have made one or more orders from Snapmint and partner merchants, data deletion will not be possible. So what you can do is you can call them or contact them directly. Either call them, you can see customer support, or you can email them. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.